Good morning, children of class 8th. Again, we will study physics. We will do numericals of chapter 2, page number 33. Now, children, in my previous video, I have explained chapter 2. Now, we will do the numericals of your book only. Question number 13. Children, you see, a piece of wood of mass 150 gram has a volume of 200 centimeter cube. Find the density of wood in CGS system and an SI system you have to find. Children, whatever it is given, that you have to write. Given mass is 150 gram. Volume is 200 centimeter cube. Density is equal to mass upon volume. This formula I have explained in my previous video. Now put the value. Mass is 150 and volume is 200. So value will come 0.75. Now see the unit, children. Mass is given in gram. Volume is given in centimeter cube. So your unit will be gram per centimeter cube. Now the second part, you have to give the answer in SI system. Now children, in SI system, you know, in my previous video I have given this relation, 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 10 ki power 3 kg per meter cube. So you have to multiply by 1000. So it will come 750 gram per meter cube. Now next question, question number 14. 5 liters of kerosene oil is found to weigh 4.40 kg. Find the density of kerosene oil in CGS system and in SI system. Here also see, children, 5 liter volume, if it is given 5 liter. Now 5 liter is equal to 5000 centimeter cube. Why? Because this relation in the first chapter you have done ki 1 liter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 5 liter is equal to 5000 centimeter cube. Now mass, children, now mass is given in kg. Now you have to multiply. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. You are changing kg into 1000. So you will multiply 4.40 into 1000. So children, it will come 4400 gram. You are changing into gram. Now see the formula, same formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is this much, volume is 5000. When you will do the calculation, it will come 0.88 gram per centimeter cube. Now in SI system, same thing, you will multiply by 1000. So it will come 880 kg per meter cube. Question number 15. Calculate the volume of wood of mass 6000 kg when density of wood is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now mass is given 6000 kg, density is given 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now again, children, see the unit. Mass is given in kg, density here it is gram, so you have to change it in kg. We know the relation. Just now we have done 1 kilogram per centimeter cube is 10 ki power 3 kg per meter cube. So you multiply by 1000. So it will come 800 kg per meter cube. Now same formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. Put the value, density 800, mass 6000. You have to find V. So volume is equal to 6000 upon 800. 20 cancel. When you will do the calculation, it will come 7.5. Now unit volume is meter cube. Now why? Because here you have changed it in meter cube. Now question number 16 of your book only, children. See this 16 question. Volume of a metal cube is 200 centimeter cube. If the density of metal cube is 7.5 gram per centimeter cube, find the mass of metal cube in kilogram. We have to find it in kilogram. Now children, whatever it is given, that I have written. Volume of metal cube is 200 centimeter cube. Density of metal cube is 7.5 gram. Mass you have to find. Same formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density, put the value. Mass and volume, put the value of mass. See the unit. Unit is same. CGS unit. So children, unit you have to see. If CGS unit, I think you have to take, or you have to take SI system. So here it is CGS system. So see the cross multiplication. So mass is 7.5 into 200. So it will come 1500 gram. But in the question it is given that you have to give the answer in kilogram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So you are changing gram into kilogram. So you will divide. So it will come 1.5 kg. Now question number 17 children. An empty density bottle weighs 22 gram. When filled completely with water it weighs 50 gram. When filled completely with brine solution it weighs 54 gram. Calculate volume of density bottle and density of brine solution. Children, whatever it is given, that I have written: mass of empty density bottle 22 gram, mass of bottle plus water 50 gram, mass of bottle plus brine 54 gram. Now if you find mass of water, how you will find? 50 minus 22, so it will come 28. Now you have to find volume of water is equal to volume of density, that is mass of water, and m mass density of water. So 28 by 1, it will come 28 centimeter cube. So volume of density bottle is 28 centimeter cube. Second part, you have to find mass of brine. Mass of brine is 54. See children, from here you can find 54 minus 22. So it will come 32. So density is equal to mass upon volume. Put the value. Mass just now you have taken out 32 and volume here you have taken out 28. So it will come 1.14 gram per centimeter cube. Now children, you have to do these exercises of page number 32. Fill it in your book only. First is the fill in the blanks. Second, statements given below are incorrect. Whatever it is incorrect, that word you have to underline and you have to write the correct word. True or false. Tick the most appropriate answer. See children how it has come. I have done the calculation also. Match the column. Now children, these questions I have given for the homework. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Children, these questions you have to do it in your physics copy and maintain your copy. And children, if you have any problem in chapter 1 and chapter 2, you can ask from me. Thank you children.